Hi, my name is Faisal, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can use VS Code online. Maybe you want to store your code online. There is an alternate for VS Code by Google. Just wait. I may open the comment browser. idx.google.com. You can use this website and you can use VS Code for completely free. I have created two workspaces. Like if you look at this, if I create a new workspace, it just suggest me what I want to create. I just want to create an empty notebook. I mean workspace. I mean test create. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's just gonna take a little bit of time. It has been it has now been it is opened. Just wait. It's a VS Code. You can use this VS Code online now. If I say just wait, program.java or program.py, program.py, you can almost use any programming language with this, and it just stores it on your Google Drive. I mean Google Firebase Studio. Even if your hard disk or SSD breaks, it's still gonna work till you have your Google account. If I create index.html, you can create a web page with this, and you can create a backend using Python or Java. You can create a complete website using this Firebase Studio. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.